Agile Software Development Courses. Agile FAQ. Steps to create Agile organization. Want to create Agile organization? Planning to be professional in Agile? Watch this video, presented by Tonex. Hello everybody, this is Michael here, and you are watching Tonex training videos. In this episode, we have interviewed two Agile software development professionals. Let's listen to them.
Agile software development is an approach with emphasis on solutions, evolving through the collaborative effort of self-organizing and cross-functional teams and their stakeholders.
Businesses always experience rapid changes. Changes in terms of competition, demand, technology have made it more important than ever for organizations to be able to respond and adapt quickly. This is why Agile comes up. Agile got several useful benefits for an organization. Agile enables organizations to master continuous change. It allows firms to flourish in a world that is increasingly volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous.
Many feel that, in today's digital economy, becoming an agile organization is an increasingly urgent necessity for companies. Yet most companies have a deeply embedded command organization architecture and culture. Organizations need to follow few steps to successfully become an agile organization.
Two of the most popular ones that support the agile development life cycle are Scrum and Kanban. Kanban is a popular framework used to implement agile software development, while Scrum is an agile framework that is also used to implement the ideas behind agile software development.
Literally, we have gone through several Agile Courses provider, both online and offline. However, we found Tonex Agile Courses can be best for people, because those courses are taught by excellent instructors who bring it all together through expert knowledge as well as real-world experience.
I would like to talk about few top-notch Agile courses like Agile Programming Training Workshop, Agile Software Development Training, and finally, Introduction to Agile Programming and Software Development.
Thanks for watching this video. Does your organization prefer to have an Agile course tailored to your needs? Tonex can do that. Make your organization Agile friendly. Take control of market risk. Sign up for Agile Courses. Subscribe to Tonex official YouTube channel. For more information, questions, comments, visit www.tonex.com.